Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Mario. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. To draw the circle, make two small marks to indicate the circle's length, and then on the sides make two more small marks to indicate the circle's width. Then connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video to draw at your own pace. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're having a hard time drawing it, just trace the outer edge of a cup, a bowl, or anything else with a circular edge. Inside the circle near the middle, draw a long horizontal line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. Now draw a curved vertical line for another construction guide. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. To the left of the vertical construction guide, draw a curved line for the nose. You can use the 4 marks method to draw this line too. Simply make a few marks to indicate the sides of the nose, and then connect the marks using curved lines. The shape of the nose should be similar to a wide letter C. To the right of the nose and on top of the horizontal construction guide, draw an oval for the eye. You can use the 4 marks method to draw the eye too. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the eye. On top of the nose, draw a small arc for the visible section of the other eye. Inside each eye, draw a smaller oval for the irises. Only draw the top part of the iris for the eye on the left. Draw the irises up against the right edge of the eyes. Inside each iris, draw an even smaller oval and shade them in for the pupils. Above the eye on the right, draw a curved shape for the eyebrow. This shape should be similar to a crescent moon on its side. To the left, draw a smaller curved shape for the other eyebrow. The bottom tip of this eyebrow should touch the eye. Below the eye on the right, draw a curved horizontal line for the first part of the mustache. Below that, draw a series of shorter curved horizontal lines for the bottom edge of the mustache. Draw the mustache under the nose and extend the line to the left, outside of the main circle. Below the mustache, draw a big curved shape for the open mouth. This shape should be similar to the letter D on its side. Inside the mouth, at the top, draw a curved line for the top row of teeth. At the bottom, draw a shorter curved line for the tongue. On the right side of the head, draw a big curved line for the ear. This line should be similar to a backward letter C. Inside the shape, draw a couple of short curved lines for the structure of the ear. On the top left side of the head, draw a long curved line for the first part of the bill on the hat. Draw this line going to the left and then curve it down and to the right again. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the line. On the right side, curve the line down and then to the left toward the eyebrow. To the left of the eyebrow, draw a line that slopes up for the front part of the bill. Draw a shorter line between the eyebrows for the base of the bill. High above the head, make a small mark to indicate the top edge of the hat. Now draw a curved line that connects the mark to the bill for the front part of the hat. Draw a longer curved line on the right side for the rest of the top of the hat. At the bottom, draw a shorter curved line for the back of the hat. Draw a line that connects the bill to the ear to finish the shape of the hat. At the front of the hat, on top of the bill, draw a half circle for the logo. Sketch lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the line. Inside the shape, draw a bold letter M. The bold letter M is made up of two smaller M's stacked up on top of each other. Draw a vertical line from the eyebrow on the left to the nose for the side of the head. Now use the lower edge of the initial circle as a guide to draw the bottom of the head. Make the lower left side a bit wider for the cheek. Draw the bottom part a little bit lower than the initial circle for the chin. Draw the right side a little bit higher than the initial circle. To the left of the ear, draw a couple of curved lines for the sideburn. These curved lines should be similar to the letter U. The sideburn should be very close to the mustache. Below the ear, draw a couple more short curved lines for the back of the hair. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. And now color your drawing. Use red for the hat and the letter M. Color the skin peach and the eyebrows and mustache black. Use blue for the eyes and brown for the hair. Color the inside of the mouth dark red and the tongue pink. And that's it for Mario. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.